Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you 12 TV shows every real man should watch in 2024. So if you're a man, and I'm glad to share with you 12 TV shows you must watch as a man. I'm talking about real man here. So the first thing, one of the first TV show is the Pelgian. So it's actually a crime drama featuring a Colin Farrell as the disfigured former right-hand man of a deceased crime boss. And also there is another TV show that you must watch as a man, The Day of the Jackal. You can search and try and read the storyline. You can also watch this TV show Shotgun Chaos. You can watch The Fallout. It's about a series based on the popular video game. And also you can watch this TV show. What do you want this? The romantic TV shows, and also you can watch Hilo. Also watch this Matlock. You can watch Mr. Bates versus. You can watch their very interesting TV shows. They are interesting TV shows. You can watch One Day. You can watch One Day. Also an interesting TV show. You can watch this as well. Presumed Innocent. It is very interesting. You can also watch The Bear. It's a series that has been praised for its stellar third installment. This TV shows offers a mix of action, drama, comedy, and a bit of science, ensuring there is something for everyone to enjoy. So if you're eager to watch more, especially in this holiday, you can watch any of these TV shows and come back and say thank you. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.